Good morning, Year 7, and welcome to your first Year 7 assembly. Today I want to talk to you about numbers. You might not know this, but I love maths. I love numbers, and I've got some here for you today. I'm going to show you a number. You can think in your head what you think it might be, and then I'm going to move to the next slide, and you can see if you're right. Okay, so 235. I think lots of you will get this. This is actually 235 students in Year 7. So that's lots of opportunities for you to make new friends. It also means that if there are some people that you don't get on with, there's opportunity to be away from them and to just develop that skill of being polite to someone when you don't have to be their friend. Okay, the next number is 50. Unbelievably, you've been here for 50 days now. And for me, it's gone really, really quickly. And I'd like you to think back at how many things you've learned how to do since you've been here. So you use Insight, you use MathsWatch, you find your way around the school, you know how to buy food, lots and lots of things. Hopefully some of you have got onto Teams as well. I'm still giving out merits for those of you who still have to access it, and I'd really like to give that a go for me. Okay, so the next number, really big number, 13,675. That actually is how many merits you in Year 7 have accumulated since the start of term. And I'm really, really proud of you for that. You've got them for following our calm behaviour policy. So that means that you've always completed your classwork, you've arrived prepared to learn, you've listened, and you've made the right choice. I'm delighted to say about the next number, but I'll put it up first, see what you think. 142. So that actually is how many of you have not got a single demerit since you've been here. So you've done everything we've asked of you. You've always been on time. You've always done your homework. And I'd like to thank you for that. And I'm also pleased by the next slide. So that's 168. I think some of you might guess what that is. That's actually how many of you since half term have got no demerits. So even if some of you got them before, you've learnt how you need to change your behaviour such that you won't get them moving forwards. So 9,885, another big number. That is actually how many of those merits we mentioned before that you got for those classroom essentials. 457. So that 457 is the number of merits you have got for displaying our core values. Now, I'm sure you know how important the core values are to us as a school. You see them on the walls around school, you'll see them on documents, you'll see them on our website. And I did a blog about them in the summer. And I would like you to really think about that and think about how you can get merits for that. It's entirely possible. And when I see acts of kindness in particular, I award merits, and also for courage, determination. And I know that that is shown by Year 7 in bucket loads every day. Okay, 493. So this is a much smaller number. It's possibly higher than I would like, if I'm honest. And that is actually the number of demerits that Year 7 have got. And what I want you to do is to think about what you can change so that you don't get those demerits, so that you don't disrupt the learning of others and your own learning. So have a think about that. You can discuss it with your tutor if you have had demerits. Let's find a way so that you don't get them anymore. Okay, the next number is another really big number, 12,226. Now, some of you will know that we've recently been issued reports, and on there you've had descriptors for each of your subjects, which are excellent, good, inconsistent, or poor. Okay, now out of these 12,226, I've had a further look, and can you think what number 11,819 would represent? Yeah, it's actually all the good and excellent descriptors that you got in your reports. So it's nothing I've done, it is what you have done. And for those of you who got all excellence and good, so no inconsistence, no pause whatsoever, I've issued you with an M4, which is 4 merits, and that has gone on to your account. So very well done. So these descriptors, so I think excellent is self-explanatory. It is you going above and beyond, really, what we expect. Good is what we expect. We expect you to arrive to lessons, be prepared for your learning, do the work, do your homework, and behave in the lesson. Inconsistent, now some people don't know what that word means, but inconsistent means that sometimes you get it right, sometimes you don't. And to me, that means that you could get it right all the time. So I want to see those disappearing from reports. 407, much smaller number. 407 is the number of inconsistents and poor descriptors on your reports, and that's the number I'd like to go even smaller next term. And I'd like you to again think about what you can do to convert, to change those inconsistent marks into good. And if you need me to help with anything, to support, to discuss it with you, let your tutor know, and I'll arrange to meet you. I also want to let you know about our reward system, because I've realised that with everything happening in a different way this term, you might not be aware that if you reach 100 merits, you receive the Bronze Award, which is a certificate. And you'll have seen this week that some people's names have been in the tutor bulletin. If you get to 200, you get a silver certificate. And if you make it to gold, which is 300, you get a certificate and a badge that you can wear on your blazer. Unfortunately, it's not real gold because I can't afford that, but it is lovely and shiny. So, to conclude, really, I want you to think about all these numbers, the fantastic things that you've done, the excellent number of merits, so many good and excellent report descriptors. But for those of you that haven't got always the right attitude to your learning, for those of you that have picked up some demerits, what can you do to change? And even those who've got lots of excellence and goods, can we sneak a few more excellence in there? I think you can, to be honest. And I just want to finish with this quote. And it is about how it's down to choice. And our policy says about making the right choice. And it is true that the person that you become is based on the choices that you make, the decisions that you make. But thank you so much for your hard work. I hope you have a good rest of the day, and remember that we're always here to help you. Thank you.